Good my dear students, hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 3 students. Our today's topic, word meaning all revision. So today is a revision class. So let's see our today's class 3. Subject English literature, topic word meaning all, revision, term annual, lecture 14, SW Nong will be 13, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, messenger ID Ariful Bari, and today's date 8/10/2020. So let's start the class. So today's topic word meaning all, revision. Okay. So word meaning all, number 1, steaming. Steaming means very hot and giving off steam. So my dear students, there is a thing you have to be remember carefully. Look at the word meaning. Steaming, very word and giving of steam. At the end of the word meaning, no full stop. Okay, at the end of the word meaning, no full stop will be given. If you give full stop, we will deduct your marks. So steaming, very hot and giving off steam. Number 2, pull up. Pull up means stop. Number 3, patrol, a group of people whose job is to keep an area safe. Number 4, gathered means came together. Number 5, ahead, in front of. Number 6, swayed, moved slowly from side to side. Number 7, toughest, strongest and bravest. Number strongest spelling STRONGEST and bravest BRAVEST. Number 8, harmless, gentle and friendly. Number 9, coward, somebody who is not brave. So number 10, survived means managed to stay alive. Managed, MANAGED, managed to stay alive. Number 11, messenger, a person who carries messages. Look at the spelling of messages, MESSAGES. A person who carries messages. Some students wrote in the SW, a person who carries messengers. This is incorrect. Who carries messages calls messenger. Number 12, attendants, helpers to the king. Number 13, beloved, loved by all. Number 14, lame, not able to work properly. Number 15, noticed, saw something. Okay, so I'm reading for the last time for the students. Word meaning all. Number 1, steaming, very hot and giving off steam. Number 2, pull up means stop. Number 3, patrol, a group of people whose job is to keep an area safe. Number 4, gathered, came together. Number 5, ahead means in front of. Number 6, swayed, moved slowly from side to side. Number 7, toughest, strongest and bravest. Number 8, harmless, gentle and friendly. Number 9, coward, somebody who is not brave. Number 10, survived, managed to stay alive. Number 11, messenger, a person who carries messages. Number 12, attendants, helpers to the king. Number 13, beloved, loved by all. Number 14, lame, not able to work properly. Number 15, noticed, saw something. So my dear students, your SW will be SW 13. Submit on Sunday. SW will be word meaning all from 1 to 7. So I've given 15 word, meaning you will do SW only from 1 to 7. That means from steaming to toughest. So that's all today, my dear students. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect the copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm school library, from the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.